making some meringues. I've made them before, but I want to do Easter themes with bunnies and maybe chicks. We'll see how good it goes. But these are the ingredients I'm using. I'm going to have 2 egg whites, vanilla extract, powdered sugar. We'll probably use about a half a cup or a little less if you want it less sweet. And I also have gel food coloring to add in to make the bunnies and animals colorful. And for tools, I don't have a piping bag. You can use parchment paper to pipe out, which I have here with my tray and parchment paper, or you can use a plastic bag, which is what I'm going to use here, and cut a little tip at the corner with scissors. So these are my tools I'm going to be using, and I also have my stand mixer. You could do it by hand, but it's going to take a lot longer. So first things first, make sure you put your egg whites into your clean stand mixer that doesn't have too much moisture or any moisture, it's dried off, and then put it starting on low and then high for a couple seconds until it's in stiff heat. So once it's semi-stiff, we can add in our powdered sugar. And I added a little bit less than half a cup because I don't want it too sweet. And add in about a teaspoon of vanilla. Stir it again until it's very glossy. And we're going to divide it into 3 because I want to use 3 colors, purple, pink, and orange. Fold the bag over so it doesn't go too much on the edge. Next, we're going to do the pink, so I'm going to put half a teaspoon of color in there. And we want to not lose the air as much, so we want to fold this. We're going to start with cutting 2 centimeters off. We're going to start with just a simple rabbit head. And then you could even use the pink to pipe out little details. I'm gonna try to do a little peep, just a base. Like this. I'm gonna make a tiny peep. That's my attempt at a peep. It looks just like a little purple poop. I got a little bit better. As you can see, my peep progression may be getting a little bit better. That's my first one, second attempt, third attempt, fourth attempt. So I can't do the swirl, I just need to keep piping, and that's okay. Oh no, that's gonna expand and that's gonna stick together. Oh no. But these are gonna still be good when we take it out. So that's one tray. Okay. And it's melting, it's all melting. So after an hour and a half in the oven at 225, this is how they look. I think they're a tiny bit on the burnt side. So next time, I recommend putting them for maybe 1:15 or check out 1 hour. Have them cool for a bit before you start eating them, but once they're ready, they should be pretty hard on the outside. So my peeps stayed up. Some of them are a little bit mangled, not gonna lie. But you know what? Some of them are cute in my eyes, and that's all that matters. So you should be able to just pick them up super light and airy. And these ones are hard. You could put them for less time if you want them a little bit chewier in the middle, but it tastes great.